union. The union of two sets A and B contains all elements in either A or B or both. Example, if A equals 1, 2, and 3 and B equals to 3, 4, and 5, then A union B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Intersection. The intersection of two sets A and B contains all elements common to both A and B. Example, if A equals to 1, 2, and 3 and B equals to 3, 4, and 5, then A intersection B equals to 3. Complement. The complement of a set A contains all elements not in A but present in universal set. Example, if universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and A equals to 2 and 4, then A complement equals to 1, 3, and 5. Relations under types. Relations are described connections or associations between elements in sets and are crucial in computer science for modeling interactions and analyzing algorithms. Types of relations. Reflexive relation. Every element in set A is related to itself. Example, is related to. Every person is related to themselves. Symmetric relation. If A and B is in R, then B and A is also in R. Example, if John is friends with Jane, then Jane is also friends with John. Transitive relation. If A and B and C are in R, then A and C is also in R. Example, if there's a direct flight from city A to city B and from city B to city C, there's also a direct flight from city A to city C. And propositional calculus. Propositions. Basic declarative statements that can be either true or false. They are represented by variables such as P, Q, R, etc. Logical connectives. Operators used to combine or manipulate propositions. The main local connectives are NOT. Represents negation. It changes the truth value of a proposition. AND represents conjunction. It is true when both propositions are true. OR represents disjunction. It is true when at least one of the propositions is true. Implies represents implication. It is true unless the antecedent left-hand side is true and the consequent right-hand side is false. If and only if represents biconditional. It is true when both propositions have the same truth value. Proof techniques. Number 1. Direct proof. Starts with given premises and uses logical steps to deduce the conclusion. Example, proving that if a positive integer is even, then its square is also even. Number 2. Proof by contrapositive. Proves a statement by proving its contrapositive. Negation of the conclusion implies the negation of the hypothesis. Example, proving that if n is even, then n is even by showing that if n is odd, then n is odd. Proof by contradiction assumes the opposite of what you want to prove and derives a logical contradiction. Example, proving that there is no smallest positive rational number. Number 4. Mathematical induction. Used to prove statements for all natural numbers. It involves a base case and an inductive step. Example, proving the sum of the first n odd positive integers is n2. IT applications. Algorithm validation. Proof techniques are used to validate the correctness of algorithms by proving rigorous mathematical evidence. Ensuring correctness. Proofs help establish the algorithms and software components function correctly under all positive scenarios, preventing errors and vulnerabilities. Verifying properties. Proofs can verify specific properties of algorithms or software such as termination, correctness, and efficiency. Complexity analysis. Proof methods can be applied to analyze the time and space complexity of algorithms, which is crucial for understanding their efficiency and scalability. Formal verification. Formal methods, including proof techniques, are used to formally verify that software or algorithms adhere to their specification, especially in safety critical systems. Debugging and troubleshooting. Proofs can be used to analyze the logic of algorithms and pinpoint errors during debugging. Counting and combinatory. Basic counting principles. Multiplication rule. If there are m ways to do one thing and n ways to do another, then there are m and n ways to do both. Example, creating a password with one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one digit. Additional rule. If there are m ways to do one thing and n ways to do another, and the two things cannot be done at the same time, then there are m plus n ways to do one or the other. Example, choosing either a single scoop or a double scoop of ice cream with 6 flavors. Permutation. A permutation is an arrangement of objects in a specific order. The number of permutation of n objects taken r at a times is given by. Example, arranging 4 different books on a shelf. Combinations. A combination is a selection of objects without regard to order. The number of combinations of n objects taken r at a time is given by. Example, forming a committee of 3 from a club of 7 members. Applications of combinatorics. Cryptography. Combinatorial concepts are used to design encryption schemes and ensure the security of message. Example, include permutation and substitutions in ciphers and combinatorial analysis of attacks. Coding theory. Hamming distance and error detection, determining the minimum hamming distance required for a binary code to detect up to 2 errors. Hamming distance of 3. Reed-Solomon code, calculating the numbers of symbols that can be correct in a Reed-Solomon code. Example gives 112 symbols. Probability. Dice probability, calculating the probability that the sum of the numbers rolled on 2 dice 7, 1/6. Deck of cards probability, calculating the probability of drawing 5 hearts from a standard deck of 52 cards, approximately 0.00495. Combinatorial cryptanalysis, substitution cipher, vowels only, calculating the numbers of possible ways to create a substitution cipher where only vowels are replaced with other vowels. Discrete mathematics quiz number 2. Part C. Universal quantifier. Universal quantifier. The universal quantifier symbolizes by an inverted A standing for all or for every. Is a logical operator that asserts a predicate statement about a variable is true for every member of a given domain. scores. So the inverse quantifier is ibaliktad na siya na A stands for all or for everything. Example number 1. Universal quantifier user. User has an email, meaning every user in the system must have an email. Example number 2. Universal quantifier X. X has a phone, meaning everyone has a phone. Another example in a shopping app like Shopee or Lazada. Universal quantifier order must have an order ID, meaning every order created in the app must have a unique ID. If one order has no ID, the rule is broken. Inverse function, understanding the function that undoes another function. Introduction. An inverse function reverses the effect of the original function. If f of x equals to y, then f raised to negative 1 of y equals to x. Concept. A function takes input x and produces output y. The inverse function takes y and gives back x. They undo each other. Notation. Original function f of x. The inverse function is f raised to negative 1 of x. F raised to negative 1 of x is not equal to 1 over f of x. Here are the 4 steps to find the inverse of a function. Step 1. Replace f of x with y. Step 2. Interchange x and y. Step 3. Solve for y using appropriate properties of equality. Step 4. Replace the new y with f raised to negative 1 of x. Example number 1. Let f of x equals to 2x plus 3. Then using the steps, you will have y equals to 2x plus 3. Then x equals to 2y plus 3. Then x equals to 3 over 2 equals 2y over 2. Then cancel 2 over 2. Mabilin y equals to x minus 3 over 2. And the inverse function is f raised to negative 1 of x equals to x minus 3 over 2. Example number 2. Let f of x equals to 3x plus 4. Using the steps, you will have f of x equals to 3x plus 4. Then y equals to 3x plus 4. Then x equals to 3y plus 4. Then you will have x minus 4 over 3 equals to 3y over 3. Then cancel 3 over 3. Mabilin y equals to x minus 4 over 3. And the inverse function is f raised to negative 1 of x equals to x minus 4 over 3. Graph. The graph of f raised to negative 1 of x is a reflection of f of x across the line y equals to x. Conclusion. Inverse functions are essential in mathematics. They help us solve equations, model real-world problems, and understand symmetry.